Okay, so we're back on the track, or at least we can say that. So let's start by looking what changed when we didn't posted anything. And the first thing that changed is that we bought a new welding machine. And I will just show you some test of it. And also we bought a pedal to it, so you can regulate the power of the welding machine, the amperage of it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. As you can see, the harder we push on the pedal, the bigger the amperage gets, and the same thing applies if we put on less less force on the pedal, less amperage. And next thing that we did is a stand for gas cylinders, and we started by bending the flat bars to fit the curve of the cylinder. Then we needed to cut the flat bars on the length that we wanted. And 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 that's how bending the flat bars looks like. And then once again we cut them to the length that we want. And now let's give a chance to the little guy. Now we're gonna weld the bended flat bars to the profiles. To tell you that this new welding machine, ooh, is very nice, very nice. And now we're gonna weld the profile with the bars to the table where the gas cylinders will be standing. Now you have to remember what my dad will tell me. Yeah, so it's better to listen to that. Now we put our gas cylinders in. Out them. And we're ready. Okay, so the next thing that changed is that we added some things to our first table that we did, and the first thing that we added is new sockets. Now, as you know, we like to have a lot of stuff on our floor, and especially junk, and you can see that I am segregating the junk now. Sometimes you have to do it. Now we added some lights to our table so we could see things more clearly. Now kids, this is a clear example of why you have to be cautious while working. Well, it happens to the best, but now let's continue adding our lights to the table. And it works! And if not the mess on the table, it would be just beautiful. I know it's not much, but that's all for today, and see you next time.